Right, so today's job, something I'm not really looking forward to, but it's got to be done. Just climb inside this, I'll show you in a minute. Climb inside it, and it's steel profiling today, so this is like a specialised blast. It's steel shot that we're going to be using to put a profile on it, so I know exactly what's going to be coming, so I've modified my lamp. I've stuck a bit of perspex on the front of it, because that glass is highly likely to break today. So if I put a piece of plastic over it, it might get me through today. I'm going to sacrifice this lamp, so yeah, I'll jump up there and I'll show you inside. It's not very pretty, but not very glamorous, my job, but yeah, as you can see, it's stainless steel, and each one of these sections has got a little hole. I have to climb through that little hole, semi pipe through there. I'll be able to get my shot out. I'll be able to try and get my shot out on it. Seal all these up so the shot don't come up and rest on top of here, because this shot was rusty. So we need to do a bit more prep before we start. But yeah, this is what I've got to do today. It's probably not going to pick it up right well on video, but if I do it before and after, you've got something that I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'll show you this, because this will be something that you'll be able to see. Obviously that's just smooth stainless steel. It's got no profile to it. So once that's blasted, we'll show you it. We're running, what are we running? We're running steel shot and 600 CFM. So yeah, it's going to be a physically demanding job, this one. And I'll be towing to hold onto pipe, but it is what it is. Something where again this finished what they've asked for, they've required, so yeah, specialised blast today. Let's get into it. Can't get out of there on it. Yeah, it's hurting the leg. No way for it to go. Only at me. Heading for that side. Put them on this side for a bit. on video, but when I said I couldn't get out of the way, it shot and it were hurting me. Well, it were bouncing up and I just couldn't get out of the way. Well, it were a dish. It were just coming straight in and then bouncing back at me. This is what it's done to my boots. Look at that. Shot straight through it. Knackered them up. Never seen better days. That's what that shot's done to them. But yeah, I've the lamp that I thought I'd be able to survive. Well, I thought that it'd survive. Turns out that it didn't. It broke. Then I had a spare one on van. I tried that one, and that button ended up breaking on that one. Oh, I broke glass on it because I didn't put no perspex over it. So then button broke on that one, and I had to nip out and get one from Screwfix. Well, one at lads did like so. They one at Lurkers that work there. They got some lamps in, so yeah, I managed to finish job off with one of their lamps. That's your profiling that you're getting. Okay, catch you next then.